Good evening, Sean Carlson, Blackjack 98 Enterprises. This is an unboxing video for the product that you see behind me. Today's date is approximately 6:35, Friday, June 20th. So let me flip the camera around, let's have a look at it. Alright, so this is a Canadian Tire brand, and I already have a half horsepower one that does not look like this. But that half horsepower one is right there, and it does a pretty good job. All I need it to do is feed my pressure washer, which is 4400, oh, that's different. So yeah, it doesn't work. 4400 psi, which is pretty much 8 gallons a minute. The half horsepower is able to feed it, but this one will be just as effective in feeding it. So I'm going to take a knife here. We're going to unbox it. We're going to cut the thing off. The safety seal. Here we go. Okay. And right away we have access to the manual. So let's look at the manual. Okay. I'll put that right there. We're going to take this top box off. Nothing inside. Make sure there's nothing inside. And the pump. Woohoo. Okay. So, I'm putting this right there. We got a mile-long cord. Look at that. Is there anything else in the box? Yes, there is. And there is this. So I'm assuming that you can put a 2-inch pipe or a 2-inch tube or whatever into here, and then this converts it to garden hose settings. So that goes into there. But let's look at the bottom there. There's a screw there. I don't exactly know what that is, but it's probably the internal components for the pump that you can have access to. Okay, so let's look at this thing entirely now. Look at the information right there. This will be the first time that I will be using something like this. And so by unboxing, the next video that I will be doing will be the actual usage of it. And you will see how well it works. Let's look in the bottom. Right on, look at that. Okay, so I would assume that you would need some seal, some thread sealant to put into there to create the airtight, watertight seal, and some onto here for your garden hose. But, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. The unboxing of this. I wish I could tell you more about it, but I will be able to tell you more about it on the next video that I do with regards to it actually working. Okay? So, I hope you like it. And that's that. Oh, and this cost me Canadians, and I just bought this earlier today, $200 plus tax at a Canadian Tire. And yeah, there is nothing else in the box. So this can go back into there. Let's get sealed up. This box can now get tossed. And that's that. Hope you like it.